Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 26, 2025, and we're diving into Petco's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Petco's latest financial performance.
Petco has just released its Q3 2025 earnings. Let's start with an overview of the company's performance this quarter.
Absolutely. Petco reported net sales of $1.5 billion, which is a 3.1% decrease year over year. However, they managed to expand their gross profit margin by 75 basis points to 38.9%, and their operating income improved significantly by $25.2 million to $29.2 million.
EPS forecast and actual results. John, analysts were forecasting an EPS of -2 cents for Petco this quarter. How did the actual results compare?
Petco exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of 3 cents. This is a significant improvement, especially considering the forecast. The company reported a GAAP net income of $9.3 million, which is a $26 million improvement from the previous year.
That's quite impressive. What factors contributed to this better-than-expected performance?
The improvement in operating income and the expansion of the gross profit margin played crucial roles. Petco's strategic focus on profitability and operational efficiencies has clearly paid off this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's delve deeper into Petco's revenue and profitability. Despite a decrease in net sales, the company has shown some positive trends. Can you elaborate on this?
Sure. While net sales decreased by 3.1% to $15 billion, Petco's gross profit margin expanded to 38.9%. This indicates that the company is managing its costs effectively. Additionally, operating income saw a substantial increase to $29.2 million, highlighting improved operational efficiencies.
What about comparable sales? How did they perform?
Comparable sales were down by 2.2% year over year. This decline is in line with the company's outlook, but the focus on profitability has helped offset the impact on the bottom line.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Petco's CEO mentioned a focus on transformation. How is this reflected in their operational performance and future outlook?
Petco's adjusted EBITDA increased by $17.3 million to $98.6 million, showing strong operational performance. The company has also revised its full-year earnings guidance upwards with an expected adjusted EBITDA range of $395 million to $397 million. They plan to close around 20 stores, which is part of their strategy to optimize their store footprint and focus on more profitable locations.
What did the CEO say about the company's future prospects?
Joel Anderson, Petco's CEO, emphasized the importance of rebuilding the economic model as a foundation for growth in fiscal 2026. This strategic focus is expected to drive sustainable, profitable growth moving forward.
Key takeaways. In summary, Petco has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with significant improvements in profitability and operational efficiency. John, any final thoughts on Petco's investment prospects?
Petco's focus on profitability and strategic transformation positions it well for future growth. The upward revision of their earnings guidance is a positive sign for investors. However, the decline in comparable sales is something to watch closely.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Petco's performance in the comments below.